In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your document viewing experience in Microsoft Word by using the side-to-side feature for a double-page layout. Whether you're working through extensive reports or simply wanting a clearer view of your content, this trick is sure to come in handy. So let's dive right in and guide you through the simple steps to activate this feature. To start with, ensure you've opened up your Microsoft Word file. It could be any document you're currently working on, or just a practice file to follow along with me today. Having the file open is essential, as we want to see these changes in real time, and you'd want to make sure your document is displayed while you make these adjustments. Next, direct your attention to the top of your Microsoft Word interface, where you'll find a series of tabs. These tabs are part of the ribbon, the toolbar at the top of your window with all sorts of tools and options you use in Word. You're going to click on the View tab. This tab holds all the options related to how you can see and interact with your document. By selecting View, you open up a range of features and settings that can alter how your content is displayed on your screen. Now here's the crucial part. Locate and click on the side-to-side option under this tab. As soon as you do this, the layout of your document will shift to a double-page format. What this means is that instead of seeing just one page at a time, you'll now have two pages displayed side by side. This is particularly useful if you want to compare pages or view more content at a single glance without needing to scroll repeatedly. It's a great way to get an overview of your document or simply enjoy a more spacious layout so you can better focus on the material. And just like that, you're done. It was just a matter of a few clicks, but it can make a substantial difference in your workflow. This feature not only helps in smoother navigation, but also gives you a broader perspective when dealing with larger documents where context across pages matters. Remember, if you want to switch back to the traditional single-page view, you can easily do so by selecting an alternate layout in the same View tab. It's all about finding what view best suits your needs at any given moment. So feel free to experiment with this setting and see how it might improve your document editing process. Thank you for tuning into this guide. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy writing!